I'm Patrick Sakika Matanjana. My wife is Nondwazana Matanjana. We both from South Africa, in East London, in the Eastern Cape province of South Africa. When we were in South Africa, in December, my wife started getting very sick. I took her to the doctors in South Africa. We visited 3 doctors. All the 3 doctors diagnosed her with the high blood pressure. But the unfortunate part, with the treatment they were giving her, couldn't control the blood pressure. The 4th doctor discovered that my wife was suffering from a heart problem and kidney problem. Then as a result, she was admitted to the ICU. From the ICU, she was treated the kidney. During the period of treating the kidney disease, the doctors couldn't find out what was the cause due to the fact that her blood platelets were low. They wanted to conduct a biopsy. The doctor told us that due to the fact that he could not go further with the investigation, then my wife will carry on with the dialysis for the rest of her life. It is that time when I decided that I must do investigation to check if there is any place that can assist us to help her with this disease. I went to the internet. That's when I saw the hospital, the one I'm at now with my wife, that is in China, that can treat the disease. While I was doing that investigation, I saw Dr. Sally's contact details, and she phoned me. Actually, she sent me a WhatsApp. That's when we started discussing. I gave her all the problems that my wife and the condition my wife was at. And then she informed me that this hospital is specializing on the kidney disease. And then she also informed me that this hospital is offering different treatments on kidney disease. And if our doctors in South Africa, they think they cannot do any further treatment, she suggests that I must come to China with my wife. That's when I decided to come to China with my wife. When we arrive here, we receive a warm welcome to China with my wife. This is a letter that I wrote to the CEO of the hospital, together with the doctors that were involved in the treating of my wife. This is a letter of thanks to the doctors, especially the CEO. When we arrived at this hospital, which is on the 1st of April 2017, the doctors and the professors did an assessment to my wife. During the period of the assessment, they started with the herbal treatment, but they carried on with the assessment because they noticed that my wife was showing some complications. About 6 professors that were involved and some other doctors during the first week, they discovered that my wife is suffering from a lupus disease. While we were discussing the treatment of lupus, with all the suggestions they were giving to us, my wife, while she was coming from a dialysis, she was cold. As a result, she saw the lupus attack her brain. As a result, she was admitted to ICU. They treated her at the ICU for a couple of days because she was in coma for almost 4 days. And then she was treated, and then she recovered. And then when she came back from ICU, we had some meeting with the doctors and professors, and then we agreed that they must treat the lupus. From there, the doctors and professors continue with the treatment. As a result, my wife started recovering. The CEO during this period visited my wife in her ward, where she assured my wife that the hospital will make sure that my wife receive a good treatment and get a good recovery. The hospital will do their best to help my wife. As a result of that, to show that the professor's word was a strong word, my wife today can walk, my wife today can eat, my wife today can sleep. Those are the things that my wife was battling in South Africa to do due to the condition that was serious at that time. But today my wife is much better. I'm thanking the hospital for the help that they've given to my wife. As a result, my wife now is being given a treatment for 3 months that we'll be using at home to treat the lupus disease together with the kidneys. During this period, I'll be in contact with the doctors and professors to make sure her condition improves a lot. I really thank the hospital for the help they've given my wife. Thank you.